It's a monster. Alright. Nothing like Disney bass at Epcot. Oh man, he's got a player pliers. I must have let him have it too long. It'll come out, it's just down kind of deep. I don't like doing that to him. That's why the old man, he'll let us fish with, he doesn't like us using hooks, and man, you got to use a crankbait or something. You can snatch him real quick, because hates when he's an old farmer, and he don't let you take nothing. I told him, man, I never keep anything, dude. GoPro, stop recording.